Hello family, Sir here. In this video, I am excited to share with you the Alpine floor plan by Empire Communities. Now this home is located in the Enclave at Massey in Fort Mill, South Carolina. Now the home builder, Empire Communities, has about a handful, a little less than a handful of communities in the greater Charlotte area. So if you like this floor plan, please reach out to me because their properties go very, very fast. In fact, just last year, there was a line of people waiting outside for about 4 to 5 days waiting for a lot release. Now, this community doesn't have a significant amount of lots available until the beginning of next year, but they are releasing this floor plan as a spec home, and it's going to be laid out with similar design options as we see in this model, but it will be released in the coming weeks. And the price range will be in the high 7s, low 8s. Come with me, let's look at this property. This property really got me excited. I was excited when I first went in, and then every turn around every corner, going into every room, that level of excitement just amped up. You'll see what I'm saying as you come with me and look at this property. Let's go. All right, before we go in, let's look at the floor plan itself. As you see, you have the primary suite downstairs. And then upstairs, you have a bonus room. It's an optional bonus room right here. And then an extended bonus area, as well as an extended area off the second bedroom. Now, those are additions that this model will have. You can also choose to have a basement. There are several basement lots in this community where you can choose to have it totally unfinished, or you can have it finished off with a 5th bedroom and a leisure room. Let's go inside the home. Now when you come in, you have your dining area, informal dining room. And then you have a study to the opposite side of that. This is a flex room, but many people will use this as a study or an office. Then when you go further into the home, you have a foyer, large 2-story foyer. You have a half bathroom down here. Then as we move through the home, you have almost like a galley kitchen. And this is what I love about this floor plan, how much natural light it just lets in with those windows up top. You have almost this whole wall full of windows and doors. You have a covered deck out here. You do have a fireplace. You have 2 fireplaces, I believe. Closer look at the kitchen, built-in oven. This is your second fireplace. Now let's take a look at the drop zone and then the laundry/hobby area. This is your large butler's pantry. And if you take a look into back to the dining room. Got to glance into the pantry. Now let's take a look at the primary suite. You come in, you have tray ceilings. Again, just so much light. Now we're in the bathroom. You have the shower. We just saw one of the closets. This is your second walk-in closet. Now let's head on upstairs, where you have the secondary bedrooms. This bedroom has a good sized walk-in closet as well. And you do have an ensuite. Let's go on to the rest of the bedrooms. This is bedroom 3. And this is a Jack and Jill bedroom. You have the bathroom right here, adjoining the 2 bedrooms. Now this bedroom is special in the sense that traditionally, the area where I am at right now, that would not be there. That is an addition. You can choose to finish this off and just make this room absolutely enormous. Going inside the loft / family room. Again, this part right here, this is an add-on. This is an addition, this extended area that I'm in. I hope you enjoyed this property tour. This is the Alpine floor plan by Empire Communities at the Enclave at Massey. Our number is on the screen. My name is Sir Ashley. If you're interested in this property or any other properties in North or South Carolina, please reach out to my team and I. We would love to help.